Hi, so I got invited to the GitHub Copilot, the AI programming. So it's an extension to Git Visual Studio Code. So I'll show you a little demo of how it works. So I've never used it. I'm just going to show you here. I think I just saw it's being like implemented right away. So I was trying to write this code in SPRank. It's a Google search engine. Uh, so let's say I'm just trying to like copy, just follow up with these codes. It's a PageRank algorithm. So I have this, okay. So right away it shows you the recommendation for import system if you want to use it. So let's say I'm not using it. Let's try with the connection. As you can see here, I'm gonna connect it to the SQLite. And this, so if you want to accept it, you just press the tab. I think it's pretty cool. So let's say you want to create a cursor, like same as this, it's recommending. It's automatically writing this code for you. So if you could just accept or next, let's try the next. Open Copilot. Let's see how it. So what are these? So it's already like synthesizing 10 out of 10 solutions. So I think it's recommending me these things if I want to use. Okay, let's move on. Cursor. Okay. So let's say next. Accept step previous. If I wanna, what's the option? I don't know. This one and I'm not sure what is this. Let's try the previous step. So what's previous is okay, pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. So this is just a demo. As you can see, if I start typing, like let's say if I go to the next line, it's going to recommend if I want to use the import sys. You could either accept or reject. For the connection, also it just when after I type con, it's automatically like recommended me to like use this, which is like the same as the one here. That's it for now.